Hi, welcome to Kitchen Mart. I'm Dave Hollers. Since 1976, no company has done more kitchens or bathrooms than Kitchen Mart has. In fact, we've helped over 30,000 customers have their kitchen or bathroom of their dreams. Allow me to show you why so many Sacramento homeowners have used Kitchen Mart for their kitchen and bathroom remodeling needs. Let's go take a shop tour.
For nearly 50 years, Kitchen Mart has been taking the stress out of kitchen and bathroom remodeling. We deliver everything you need, from the best products in the industry to the best craftsmanship. We do it all, and we do it all without hiring subcontractors. Our team is comprised of top craftsmen who take pride in their work to deliver uncompromising quality for you.
Let's talk cabinetry. At Kitchen Mart, we don't import cabinetry. We don't buy cabinetry from the big box stores. We custom make every cabinet unique for you. Our digital measuring process ensures accuracy and quality every time with the installation. Our CNC equipment allows us to build unique cabinets just for you. Cabinet refacing has long been our anchor service at Kitchen Mart. Value, quality, and hundreds of options in door styles and cabinet finishes. Our cabinet finishing process is second to none. We paint and finish every cabinet ourselves. Now let's talk about my favorite part of every remodel, the surfaces and the countertops. At Kitchen Mart, we offer engineered stone, marble, granite, tile, and solid surface materials. Let's go take a look at the fabrication shop. Kitchen Mart uses the most modern fabrication techniques and equipment. All countertops are digitally measured and CNC fabricated to ensure a perfect, no-mess installation. Now that you've seen all that Kitchen Mart has to offer, it's clear to see we are far different from every other contractor. We're a remodeling organization with 140 professionals dedicated to your complete satisfaction. Your home, your time, your investment will always be safe with Kitchen Mart. Please visit one of our 2 showrooms, see us online, or call for a free in-home consultation.
No one does it better than KitchenMart.com.